So we reverse what we did, removing it. Put the bolt back in here. One up here. Another one in the back here. That doesn't quite line up, so everything works. Let's make sure everything works. We're working on 2015 Toyota RAV4. Customer purchased a new headlight because it's all faded out, and we're going to change out with a new headlight. And also he's got LED lights down here. It flickers. He wants us to check that. Let's see what it is. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the screw out from the side. One's a Philip, the other one is a plastic clip with a little slotted. You just pop that out, and that mud flap, mud guard, you can remove that so you can access the bolt up here. No, it should be a bolt with the screw or bolt up here. You said there's no screw, but they always had a screw. No? That just comes out like that? Yeah. Wow. Yes. Toyota don't use a screw. No. Oh, actually this screw is what's holding.
Only one, this.
So only one screw. So we're going to do the same thing on this side, just remove one screw. So we're going to do the same thing. Remove one screw from the top. That's going to release the bumper skin. And of course you're going to have to remove that. And you just simply pull entire bumper skin after that. Now we got to take the 10 mil out, and these plastic clips, and the 10 mil here. And we're going to remove these.
One?
There's only one. Wait, this one's a screw. This is also a screw too. That's enough. That's a quick here. That's enough. You never take them out because, as you can see, you can just pull down so you can access the 10 mil bolt up here. One on the top here. Another one here. Then underneath, you usually have two more. Somewheres. Oh, this one here. It's on the side, right here by my fingertip. There should be another one on this side, no?
No.
There's nothing more? So it's only three 10 mils. And one from the side. Okay. There's another one. Oh, there's another one down here by my fingertip. Pull this out. Huh? Maybe this part has to come out completely.
Maybe.
Oh no, this is this. Oh no,
No, yeah, this.
this is the one.
Uh-huh.
Okay, we got the wrong one out. There's another one on the bottom. Yep, that's the right one, not the top one. So it's the bottom one. So we got 4 bolts out. 3 on the top, 1 on the side. And that's how it comes out. Slide out. Disconnect all this. push the locking tab to release. So these are just push. Purchased the new headlight along with new LED headlight bulbs, so we're going to put them in. Turn this back cover off. No, that doesn't turn. It's got to come out somehow.
Sorry.
So you just got to turn this cover to where the notch cutout is. Pull this out. Put new bulb in, new bulb in. I believe those are 9006 and 5. We're also going to replace the LED bulb. This is no good. That is H11. So once you have the headlight out, it's easy to access the fog light, obviously. But if you're not changing out the headlight like what we are doing, you can actually access from the side. Yep, that's it. It works. Before it wasn't working, now it works. High beam side is 9005. Alright, so we reverse what we did, removing it. Put the bolt back in here. One up here. Another one in the back here. That doesn't quite line up, so everything works. Let's make sure everything works.